Guys, welcome back to the Mr. Tux channel, and today on the screen here on the left, you're going to see my very own YouTube extension VidIQ and my other extension TubeBuddy. And I'm going to show you guys what we use these for, and we're going to run them through a bit of a test today. What we're going to be using these for is searching for specific keywords to give us an idea on how well our next YouTube video is going to perform on our channel. The way that we do that is as we search for these keywords, we are going to get an SEO score from each of these extensions, and based off these scores, we're going to see how well this video performs and to see if one is more accurate than the other. Let's get into it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go through and I'm going to search the same keywords based on a video that we want to make that you guys will have seen already, and this video is going to come out 2 or 3 weeks or so, because we want to make this video, have some proof to it, and then submit it to you guys for review. That video is a Discord overlay that we can put over any game. You can put it over PUBG, Warzone, but what we'll be using it for is Among Us. Tragedy of wholesome toxicity amongst friends. If you guys want to go check out some of that, you guys can go check out some of our other videos, or you can stop in on either Monday, Wednesday, Friday, or Saturday. Stop in over at my Twitch. The link to that down in the description down below. Always playing Among Us, and always welcome to new people coming in, making, destroying friendships. As we go through analyzing all of this data, all of this information, we're going to cut it up so it's real easy for you guys to look at. We're going to search the same keywords amongst both VidIQ and TubeBuddy and see how they compare to one another. And then we are going to create this video and just see how well it does, because it may say that it is great on VidIQ, but not so great on TubeBuddy, or vice versa. And we're going to go through that and analyze how accurate it is actually going to be. Why might we be doing this? Well, it's because we found it extremely interesting that both VidIQ and TubeBuddy have hundreds of thousands of subscribers, yet most of their videos don't get more than, say, 5,000 views. These guys are supposedly like the masterminds, right, behind like the YouTube SEO and just the algorithms. First question, why TubeBuddy at 450,000 subscribers, you're getting 11K views in 5 days?
They're just not hitting the mark.
Clearly, they did not hit the mark. Now, VidIQ, same thing. 2 years ago, you got 623. And we want to see if somebody with less than 1,000, virtually no audience, virtually no subscribers on YouTube, is it possible to make a video that does better than these giant channels that get very, very few views per their videos? Take this with a grain of salt, because these channels, if they made a video on food or clothing and styling, probably not going to do as well. Probably going to be like, they also didn't have any subscribers because their fan base, their subscriber base is not used to that. Their videos are solely based on growth and targeted towards their own audience. We're going to use these SEO scores and VidIQ scores to see if they can serve us better to make better videos that bring in more views. But I keep saying SEO scores, and what does SEO even stand for? It stands for search engine optimization. Now, if your video and your keywords get a better SEO score on VidIQ or TubeBuddy, then it is more likely that your video will be shown to more viewers throughout the platform. This also has to do with other factors that we're going to get into, but it's not just based on SEO score, because if you make a low quality video, or a video that really doesn't explain very well on what it claims to be about, then it won't be shared amongst the algorithm on YouTube. We have a 71 and a 73 down here, Among Us hack, and then 72, and that's actually got 2.5 million.
What is wrong with you guys?
Bro, you guys really want to know what an Among Us hack is? I'll do a video on it. I'm never going to use it. Granted, the only person I'd use this hack on is Stuart, but I digress. Let's say that we search for Discord overlay, and we see that there's a search volume of 90,000 people, and the competition is very low for this. This rounds out to about a 73 on the overall score. Now, generally, when you're looking at the overall score, 70 or above is a really good option for a video. Now let's move on to probably the most important piece of your video, and that is the holy trinity of the YouTube algorithm. Now what this is your click-through rate, your retention rate, and your watch time. You want to have above a specific amount on each of these in order for the YouTube algorithm to want to show it to more viewers. Now, your retention rate should be at least a 30% or more, and your click-through rate at least a 7% or more. Your watch time needs to be at least a 2.5 minutes of average watch time amongst all the people who view your video. If you can get over top of those, your video can do very, very, very well. So these are the 3 things that we are going to aim for as we create this Discord video. Fair, unweight. Ooh, very good. Okay, not bad. What about a setup? Good. Okay, even better. All right, awesome. So this is what we're gonna try to target here. That's what one we're gonna go with. That's the best score we're getting on this search result anywhere. Dang, TubeBuddy's brutal. I think it's brutally honest, though. I like this. How to, because how to is a good search term. Set up an Among Us Discord overlay on OBS. I like it. Now for a description. Yeah, that's fine. And public and publish. So as we can see, after 1 week, we got 5,101 views on our brand new video. Over the last 48 hours, we got 1,007 views. On average, we got about 500 views in 24 hours. That is insane. And as you can see, amongst any other videos that we have put out on this channel, we haven't reached anything like this before. So really, these analytics, these keywords are helping immensely. But I want to see how well we did with our holy trinity, our click-through rate, our retention percentage, and our view time watched. So we got an average of 1 minute and 19 seconds, which is actually, unfortunately, below the average that we were shooting for. And our retention rate is right here over on the side of that, and that is 21.4%. So unfortunately, we weren't able to meet either, but still incredible how the YouTube algorithm was able to put this video in front of more eyes. And as you can see over here, most of the views, 67%, 68% of it, all came from the search bar. So as we saw earlier with keywords, we definitely can tell that a lot of people were looking for a video like this, that there was a real need in the market for this. So it helped us out immensely. Now, what we were also looking for was our click-through rate, and we were looking for a 7% or more. We got a 14.2%. We more than doubled what we needed for our click-through rate. That was awesome. So that must have helped this video out a lot. So this is amazing because most of it came from search results, and that means that a lot of people were looking for a video like this, and those SEO scores were correct because a lot of people did search for this, and a lot of people found what they were looking for. YouTube used its algorithm for how well the video did. It did put it in front of more people's faces, and it did help out a lot. And the reason why I say I know it helped out a lot of this audience is because, as you can see, the thumbs up and the thumbs down, the ratio is insane. And a lot of the comments were just great for the channel, and I really appreciate all the feedback that we got. Most of it was very positive. I would say all of it was positive. A lot of people just wanted to see something better out of the channel and gave us a lot of feedback, which is also really good for the next video that we do. So what did we learn from this experience? Do extensions like VidIQ and TubeBuddy help us create better videos that are needed out in the space? Yes, they do. Do you need hundreds of thousands of subscribers in order to make a great video that can generate thousands of views? No, you don't. I have the shiniest forehead in the business, though. You bet. And guys, we are very, very grateful for you guys coming out and checking out our video. And I want to point something out. What we also noticed, you guys, was that over 98% of everybody that watched this video was not subscribed to the channel. It would mean a lot if you guys would hit the subscribe button, hit that bell, because we are going to be putting out a lot more type of videos like this in the future. So if you guys did enjoy this video, smash the like button and leave us a comment down below to say which extension you guys would use. Would you rather use VidIQ or would you rather use TubeBuddy? In my personal opinion, I do like how easy and how TubeBuddy looked and how easy it was to use. But at the same time, I liked VidIQ and I liked how their metrics were, and I liked how it seemed like they were a bit more accurate than TubeBuddy was. In my mind, I would rather stick with VidIQ, but in the meantime, we're going to be sticking with both of them to test them out more. And who knows, maybe we'll do another video like this. But in the meantime, you guys, if you do have more questions, you guys can hop in the stream. We're live every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and most Saturdays over on Twitch. Or if you guys have Twitter, you can always follow us for more updates over there. We'll leave links to those down in the description down below. And also, if you guys are looking to join an amazing community, you guys can hop into our Discord. We're always playing different games like Among Us or Call of Duty. And you guys are more than welcome to join. And there's some amazing people in there that are willing to help out with any questions that you guys have, just like we are here and just like we do on stream any night that we're live. So please hit us up on any of those. And until the next time, you guys, stay busy. Average daily subs, 1,000. That seems kind of sus. Like a perfect 1,000.
It's like exactly that.
It's exactly 1,000.
I don't know.
Did we just expose Gary V? Turn it off, burn it. Everything. Shut it all down. That's sus.
Vote him out.